You know I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I love the most. I learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are, running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? I hear you're asking all around if I am anywhere to be found, but I am grown too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are, running round leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing your love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? It took so long just to feel alright. Remember how to put back the light in my eyes. I wish I had missed the first time that we kissed. You broke all your promises, and now you're back. You don't get to get me back. And who do you think you are, running round leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing your love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. And who do you think you are, running round leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you
Well done, Ellie. Anya, what do you think of Ellie's performance?
Right, so you sent me a video of this in the week, and I gave you some stuff to work on, and you actually took them on board, which is really nice to see. I said, be careful when you battle, and I said, be careful with the technicalities, and you took it on. I mean, this was better than what you originally sent me, and that's insane. Because your low notes were so much better, they were so crisp, and they were so controlled, and then your technical side, they were so clean and so clear, and it wasn't like that before, and it was just a step up from even when you sent it to me in the week, and that's a bit surprising really, because that is such a short amount of time. The only thing I can't say to you though is be careful when you're keeping the feeling. I did say to you, but you've done a really good job of that, considering you're only 12, I think.
Yeah.
That you've done an incredible job of that song. It's quite a hard song for younger people to sing, and you nailed it. Well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
My voice is just so easy to listen to. It just flows so effortlessly, and I'm glad you picked something like quite current, because like it was Colours of the Wind was your first audition, wasn't it?
No.
Reflection.
It's an old song.
It was that's Mulan, isn't it? Mulan, Pocahontas, they're both the same to me. So pretty much they are. They're both princesses and they live in the whatever. But there was like your lower tones, your lower register, there's such a lot of strength and such a lot of thickness there, and we really got to hear you kind of play with that today. And you added some really beautiful little riffs in there as well. And I think like that is a very emotional song, you know, originally. But I think you gave it that sort of like extra dynamic. You made it quite dramatic in the way that you performed it and the way that you interpreted it. And I really, really enjoyed listening to that. I just thought it was a really, really beautiful interpretation of that song. And I think you should be really, really proud of that. Well done.
Thank you.
Ellie, I mean, obviously I saw you in the week, and I did say, you know, when I first heard the song, Joyce, I was thinking to myself, oh my God, she's so much bigger than this song, she's so much better than this song. But you took on board what you needed to do and you brought that to the stage. It was really emotional, you really felt it, you put everything in that then and absolutely smashed it. But, you know, if you are successful throughout this now and into the next stage, challenge yourself. Don't be frightened to take on bigger songs, because I know you've got it in you. I know it's there. So don't be frightened to go a little bit bigger and a little bit more challenging. But other than that, that was absolutely stunning. The way you controlled it, everything, it was just right. Well done. Well done, Eddie. Round of applause for Eddie, guys.